The drone community is buzzing louder than ever, and for good reason. DJI has officially teased what could be the most anticipated compact drone in years, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. With cryptic teaser posts, leaked retail box images, and insider hints spilling across the internet, the excitement is hitting sky-high levels. But this isn't just another predictable refresh of the Mini lineup. No, this feels like a generational leap forward, both in terms of hardware design and the future of lightweight drones. If you've been waiting to upgrade from the Mini 3 Pro or even the Mini 4 Pro, buckle up, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like it will rewrite the rules of what sub-250G drones can do. In this deep dive, we'll go over everything we know so far, from confirmed release dates and design overhauls, to new battery endurance numbers, camera sensor rumors, regulatory hurdles, and even how this drone fits into DJI's wider product strategy. And to add even more spice, DJI may have accidentally leaked another product alongside it, the Osmo Nano, a wearable magnetic action cam that could shake up the ultra-compact filming market. Together, these two devices paint a clear picture. DJI is doubling down on creators, travelers, and anyone who wants maximum performance in pocket-sized gear. So, let's dive straight in. DJI Mini 5 Pro teaser. What we know, a major reseller in Brazil recently dropped the official teaser. The bold caption read, "He has arrived," branding the Mini 5 Pro as not just another drone, but the new generation of DJI technology. Alongside that teaser, we got a launch date, September 17th, 2025. That's when DJI fans in Brazil will officially see the Mini 5 Pro available in-store. Now, here's where things get even more exciting. This isn't just a regional teaser. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has already been registered with the US Federal Communications Commission, which means a global release is very likely. All signs point to a mid-September worldwide launch window, though some regions may face availability delays due to ongoing customs and import restrictions. The teaser also hints at same pricing as its predecessor, suggesting DJI may stick to the $759-$799 range for the base kit while offering fly more combos at higher tiers. Design leaks, propellers, noise ratings, and EU compliance. One of the first things eagle-eyed fans spotted in the teaser images was a subtle yet significant change: new twist-on, off propellers. These aren't just a convenience tweak. They may reduce wear on the motor mounts and make field replacements faster. DJI is expected to sell these propellers separately at around $19 per pair, or bundled in a $69 quick-release guard kit for full protection. Another interesting detail? A printed noise rating of 81 dB on the bottom of the drone. Why does that matter? Because it keeps the Mini 5 Pro compliant with European Union drone noise regulations. Independent testers suggest the drone might actually run quieter than the rating implies, which is great news for discreet flying, wildlife videography, and urban pilots. And yes, the Mini 5 Pro will continue to proudly carry the C0 certification and weigh under 249G, meaning in most regions, including the US, you won't need to register it for recreational use. That's a huge selling point DJI knows keeps the Mini series popular among casual pilots and travelers. Bundled with DJI RC2 controller. Perhaps one of the biggest upgrades isn't even on the drone itself, it's in the box. From leaked packaging, we know the DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo will come bundled with the DJI RC2 controller, complete with a bright built-in display. This means no more fiddling with your phone, no more draining your battery, and no more dealing with notifications popping up mid-flight. You'll have a dedicated, pro-level controller ready to go right out of the box. For many drone pilots, this alone justifies the upgrade. Battery endurance, 52 minutes per pack. Now here's where things get wild. The leaked box art boldly lists 52 minutes x3 on the front. That suggests the Fly More combo will include 3 batteries, each capable of delivering up to 52 minutes of flight time under ideal conditions. Do the math. That's more than 2.5 hours of total flight time from one kit. This is a massive leap over the Mini 4 Pro's endurance, which topped out around 45 minutes with the Plus battery. If DJI really pulls this off, the Mini 5 Pro won't just be the most portable drone, it'll also be one of the longest-lasting consumer drones ever released. For travel vloggers, real estate filmmakers, or hobbyists who don't want to swap batteries every 20 minutes, this is an absolute game changer. Camera and sensor rumors, of course, the camera is where many people's eyes will be. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed specs, multiple sources suggest the Mini 5 Pro will feature a new front-mounted LiDAR sensor alongside its upgraded imaging system. this isn't just about obstacle avoidance anymore. LiDAR could allow for precision subject tracking in low-light environments, mapping for photogrammetry, ultra-accurate distance measurement for cinematic shots early. Whispers also point to a larger sensor than the Mini 4 Pro's 113-inch CMOS, possibly stepping into the 1-inch sensor territory. If true, this would be huge, giving the Mini 5 Pro low-light performance and dynamic range much closer to the Mavic 3 series while staying ultra-lightweight. Global release challenges. While the FCC filing confirms U.S. intentions, DJI's presence in the American market has faced hurdles. Import delays and supply shortages linked to the Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act have already impacted DJI's availability at major retailers like Best Buy and B&H. Still, DJI has publicly reaffirmed it has no plans to exit the U.S. market. So while some buyers may see short-term shortages, the Mini 5 Pro is almost guaranteed to land stateside, even if shipping lags behind its global launch. Enter the DJI Osmo Nano, the surprise leak. Here's where the story takes a twist. During a recent DJI promo video for the Mavic 3, fans spotted something unusual, a mysterious pocket-sized camera. Soon after, leaks confirmed it. DJI is preparing to launch the Osmo Nano, a wearable magnetic action cam that rivals products like the Insta360 Go 3S. The Osmo Nano is expected to launch on September 10, 2025, just a week before the Mini 5 Pro. Here's what makes it exciting. Magnetic multi-surface mounting with polarity switching, 164GB and 128GB storage options, OLED touchscreen control, 20-minute fast charging to 80%, expandable storage via microSD powered stabilization and wireless mic support. In short, it's DJI's big comeback to the ultra-portable action camera market after the discontinuation of the DJI Action 2. And here's a wild rumor. Some insiders suggest the Osmo Nano may sync with DJI drones, potentially enabling drone plus wearable multi-angle shooting. If that turns out to be true, content creators are about to get a whole new creative toolkit. Why DJI's 2025 strategy matters taken together. The DJI Mini 5 Pro and Osmo Nano represent something bigger than just product launches. They show that DJI is doubling down on creator-focused ecosystems. Instead of giant, heavy pro drones or bulky action cams, DJI is leaning into lightweight, wearable, and ultra-portable gear. This is a direct response to how creators are working today, on the go, traveling light, and wanting gear that's powerful but hassle-free. With the Mini 5 Pro delivering unmatched endurance and imaging, and the Osmo Nano offering magnetic creativity on the fly, DJI is aiming to stay the #1 choice for solo filmmakers, vloggers, and hobbyists. Final thoughts: the DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another refresh. Between its 52-minute batteries, RC2 bundled controller, LiDAR-assisted navigation, and sub-249G freedom, it's shaping up to be the definitive compact drone of 2025. And with the Osmo Nano joining the ecosystem, DJI is positioning itself as the creator's brand of choice, making sure you can capture every angle of your adventures, whether in the sky, on the ground, or clipped to your shirt. Mark your calendars, September 17th, 2025 for the Mini 5 Pro, and September 10th, 2025 for the Osmo Nano drone fans. Buckle up, this fall is about to get exciting.